Hey everyone, it's Beginner Couponer. I just came back from CVS and I wanted to show you what I got this week at CVS starting February the 10th. So I did two separate transactions. This is the first one and then this is the second one. And let me show you the ad and which ones or which deals I did. So for my first transaction I had the 5 Simple Pleasures, a caramel for a filler, the Colgate toothpaste, which is absolutely free, and then I got the 2 Halls. So these were on sale for 2 for $3, and then we have a $1 off of 2 coupon from the Smart Source of January the 6th, and which makes these 50 cents a piece. Then the second transaction I did were these items. This was the spend 10, get back 5 Crest deal, and then I did these deals. If you buy any of these items, you will get $2 ECB back. And then I got the photo album just because I needed to send some pictures off to my mom. So the first thing I did was the Simple Pleasures, which is the spend 15, get back 5 extra care bucks. And then I got the Colgates. So we have a 50 cent off of any one coupon from our newspaper, as well as the CVS Redbox coupon of $2.50, which makes it completely free. And then I also did this, which is the Crest, the spend 10, get back 5, and I actually double dipped on this because I had a rain check from last, I believe it was a month ago or a few weeks ago. This is my receipt for the first transaction that I did. So let me show you really quick. The first 2 items were the Halls, and then the 5 Simple Pleasures, as well as the Colgate, and then the 2 caramels for fillers. One of them my husband already ate. And then let me show you my coupons that I used. I used a 4 off of 20. The Colgate, this came in a newspaper insert. If you want to know which it is, I don't remember, but if you want to just know where it came from, please comment below so I can find that for you. I had a $1 off the Halls, the $1 off of 2 Halls from the Smart Source of January 6th, as well as all these coupons from the Smart Source of January 6th. I used a $5 ECB as well as a $1 ECB. My total was $3.03, and then I put it on a gift card, so I paid nothing out of pocket. I did receive a $1 and a $5 ECB. This is my second transaction. It is a little messy because I wanted to write down everything so I could tell you guys. So let me go over it really quick. The 2 Niveas are right here. That's the photo album. I did the 2 Crests, the rinses, and these are the coupons that I used. I used a 4 off of 20. The 2 Crest rinses are from the January the 27th P&G. The $2 CVS coupon, it came last week for me. It was $2 off of any 2 toothpaste or rinse or toothbrushes. And then the $2.99 is for the Nivea. And then I used a $2 ECB and a $5 ECB. My total is $5, and I put it all on my cash card. So I received basically 14 ECBs after this transaction. And so I got this, and this is the force printed. I double dipped on the Crest rinse, so I got $10 for that deal, essentially. So after totaling everything out, I started off with $17 in cash cards and ECBs, and then I finished with $16.54 in my cash card balance as well as my ECBs all together. So I lost about 46 cents, which is absolutely great in my opinion for the items that I got. The photo album alone, it costs $5, and if I didn't do this deal I wouldn't be able to buy this, or I would have to spend out of pocket. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys go and shop at CVS with whatever ECBs you have, and have a wonderful shopping week at CVS. Thank you for watching. Bye.